Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and as you guys do see, we are in Fortnite Dev in game right now. And now this is actually really cool because you can play old seasons with this at the moment, and like as you see, everything works properly. There's nothing too improper about it. So yeah, and there's a full menu that you can do a bunch of stuff with. You can change the time of day, as you guys can see. I just changed the time of day. I also can teleport to Spawn Island. I'll try doing that in the end because it might crash my game. Because some of these things will crash your game because the thing is still is in beta. You can teleport to random points, fly, skydive, respawn. You can equip something if you want to. And yeah, there's so many things that you can do. So if I want to skydive, I can do that. If I want to fly, I can go like that. I can change my FOV, which I don't want to do too much, like that's really zoomed in. Oh my god, that's very zoomed out. My default's 80, but I'm just going to put it around like 100. Gravity scale is like your gravity, player gravity. And yeah, so I can probably just teleport to Spawn Island. We are now in the middle of the ocean. Oh yeah, I remember they changed Spawn Island's position. But yeah. So guys, this is season 13. I did launch this on season 13 because you can use any version of chapter 2 on this. I would recommend either using 14 or season 12 or 13. Either use 2, 3, or 4 for chapter 2. And season 1 does not work on this currently. And if you want to play season 1, use era. This is for chapter 2 if you want to get Fortnite Dev mode in game. Let's get into the tutorial. So guys, if you do go and enjoy this video, please drop a like and maybe consider subscribing with notifications. And yeah, let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you want to do is you want to get to my site, which is xshadow.ink. Sorry, I caps lock on, but xshadow.ink is the site. And so yeah, and now you can easily want to click go. And then I'll take you to this. What you want to do is you want to click free access with ads in 5 seconds. So there you go, just like this. There we go. Now all you'll need to do is you'll need to activate notifications, which you can do like this. Click allow. Click this thing again so it refreshes. And then look at these articles. You can turn notifications to block while you do that. And now a big shout out to Eclipse FN because this is the thing that I'm using and the thing I'm showing you guys how to use. And big thanks to Sync for making this possible, who is the owner of this, and they said I could put it on my site. And so guys, once you are here, what you want to do is you want to go to Fortnite, scroll down to Fortnite Dev in game, watch the video, click get. Now you know what to do is you need to subscribe to turn on notifications to my channel and my second channel, comment and like on the video. When you click on these things, sometimes they'll bring up like ads. Don't click on any of the ads. And there's another ad right here, so X that out. And there's an ad. Oh my god, this place is full of ads. What you want to do is you want to go to it.
It's time to help.
And then you can just drop a like on it and comment anything. And so I'm just gonna comment. I could comment anything, but yeah, I don't think it's gonna. I don't think it's gonna work because this is my channel and then join my Discord right there, which is Eclipse FN's Discord server. And you can just click proceed to target site. Click free access with ads. You want to turn on activate notifications, same thing, just same steps. Discover interesting articles, yeah, you can do that, put it on block. So we got something else is it might ask you to add a browser extension called Chump. What you can do is once you add it, I didn't remove it last time in my tutorial, but what you can do is you can actually remove it from Chrome just like that if it asks you to add a browser extension. So what you can do is click continue. And then guys, before you download this, you need to do 3 things. 1, make sure you're using Google Chrome for all of these links. 2, open up a new tab, go to settings, go to security, go to safe browsing, turn on no protection, and then refresh the site like this. And guys, this is just so Google will not block the download. And now you need to do is you need to go to virus and threat protection, like this. And what you need to go is you need to go to manage settings, switch the first one off. Just so the lengthwise download manager can run. I promise this is not a virus, it's just the lengthwise download manager. What you want to do is you want to click download. You want to run this. Click yes. It'll say select setup language, click English, click OK. Click next, click decline, and click open. Now you want to do is you want to download that. And there you go, now you have it downloaded. Now what you can do is if you don't see those book icons, you gotta go back to my site, xshadow.ink. WinRAR, you'll see that. If it does not have these book icons, click free access with ads. It might actually be the browser extension one this time. No, I did not, surprisingly. Let's click allow, click it again. Walk. And you shouldn't have to do this many because if you. So, yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Now we click continue. And click download. And there you go. You can run this. Yes. Open. Next. Decline. Open. WinRAR will download. Click keep. Run that, and you can install WinRAR. Like that's the installer. This is the download manager. So make sure you run that. And then then you should get like the book icons for this. Now what you can do is you can go to your downloads. Right click on Eclipse FN. Click extract here. And now you can delete everything else. You can keep the zip file if you want. But now you can drag it on your desktop. I already have it on my desktop, so I'm just gonna re-put it on. So as you guys do see, we have this folder now. And now guys, I will update the download every time there is an update. So make sure to stick in my Discord server, which will also be linked in the description, or in Eclipse FN, it's the Discord server, which will also be linked in the description. Join one of our Discords, preferably theirs. And if you want to join mine, you can. But yeah, for updates on this. So now guys, what you can do is you can go in here. And what you want to do is the first thing you want to do is you want to get an easy installer. Click yes. But yeah, once this opens up, what you want to do is you need to enter a build number. Now you can download any one of these versions as long as it's chapter 2. So that's 11 and up. So like 11 and up. Now make sure guys, when you are downloading the Windows version for it, okay? Because if you download an Android version or any iOS version, make sure you have to download the Windows version. And so yeah, for example, you can use season 14, 12, 13. I'm personally using 13 because that one doesn't crash for me. But some people have better experiences with 14, some people have better experiences with 12. So just choose the one you want to do. For example, I do 13, and so if you want, like, let's just say you want to do season 13 like me. If you want to do 13.40, right here, Fortnite really 13.40, and then this one's a Windows, so this would be 105. So you enter the number that you want to do. So I'm just saying, I'm not going to install this, 105. And they also enter a game folder location. What you can do is you can go to your drive where you want to install this, and so that'll be like my data drive for me. What you can do is you can right click, make a new folder, and title it like Fortnite Season 13 or whatever you really want to title it. And then once you do, what you gotta do guys is, so let me just use as an example, let me just do, I'm just gonna name it EX, and now guys what you can do is like, go in it, copy this from right here, and all you can do is you can paste it in there, and then it will start installing to this folder. Now I closed it out really quick because I don't want it to. But guys, it will take probably, it depends on your internet speed. If you have horrible trash internet, do it overnight. It's probably the best thing it can offer you. But yeah, it's kind of like downloading an older version of Fortnite. And so yeah, you will need some space on the place you are installing it. So I'd recommend installing it on a drive that you have space on. So now guys, once you do that, is you can open up this. And by the way, it is going to be working on latest, and they're working on that. So what you can do is you gotta open this. Click yes, this will open. Now guys, what you gotta do is you gotta input your username, xshadow, YT, and then your Fortnite path. So that's where your Fortnite game version is. So for me, I have a ton of Fortnite builds on my computer. Remember, this only works for chapter 2 ones, so I can launch up any of these ones that I'm hovering over right now. But I'm gonna use season 13 because I don't experience crashes with that. So what you can do is you can paste that in, click start server, click start game, and so it will now launch. And guys, if you do want to get every cosmetic on the dev, you can pay for, well, you can server boost, and what they'll do is they will give you every cosmetic. But right now, the only cosmetic, and eventually will come to everyone, but the only cosmetics available to everyone right now are like the most popular one. So they're not only giving you unpopular ones, they're giving you your Renegade Raider, your Travis Scott, your Black Knight Shield, your FNCS pickaxe, your scenario, your floss. They're giving you good cosmetics, but eventually they will have everything, and they are going to try to get it working on latest. So big shout out to the Eclipse FN team for working on this. I just quickly switch to game capture, and if some of you guys are wondering, I'll turn my audio down. Some of you guys are wondering why I'm making a video on this, my main channel, is because there's something new. Now, I'm not going to be making a video on System FN when I'm not going to be making videos when something is not new. So if something gets an update or something's new, I'll make a video on it, but I hate just like redoing the same video on Galaxy Swapper a million times just for them to get demonetized and get strict. So yeah, but if you want to go to your locker, you will have everything important. Guys, they will add every skin, so don't worry about that. And I promise you, you guys can either wait till they add every skin and get it working on latest, or you can get it early, because technically it's still in its beta right now. And I'm making this video very early on it. And so, yeah, so right now you can just go in with rare skins. Like, I'm just going to clip all this, and FNCSX, and I'll get floss. And so, yeah, now what you guys can do is you want to make sure you ready up in the solo instead of battle lab. Just click play. Make sure you're tabbed into Fortnite. Make sure you use Windows full screen in a non-performance mode, otherwise it will screw everything up. And it should not take you too long to load in, unless we're using Season 12. And now, guys, I will show you like the menu and the console and everything about that stuff, because I probably have questions. Now, when you spawn in the middle of the ocean, you're probably going to break your keyboard. What you want to do is you want to click insert, and that's the insert button on your keyboard. It's located in different spots for different keyboards, and if it doesn't work, click alt insert. But you shouldn't have to do that, it should just be insert. So now, guys, what you can do is you can go to teleport to main island. You can do that. Just like that, I am on the main island. So, yeah, you can roam around, but eventually Battle Bus will start. It'll start, like, very shortly. I don't know what that is. Probably my computer is having a seizure. But, yeah. I am playing on Fortnite Season 13 in dev mode. Eventually they will get it working on the latest version, so you can play, on the latest version with dev mode in-game. But, yeah, and they will get every cosmetic. So, guys, this is just beta testing. And I'm making a video on this very early, but I promise you they will eventually grow to something big. And the reason why we cannot combine the hybrid with the in-game is because then it would be bannable, and the last thing we want to do is get you guys banned. And so yeah, so if I jump, there we go. And yeah, as you guys do see, we have Renegade Raider in-game with the Black Knight Shield, and we can play the old season. Let's just land underground Stuffy Swamp. I'm going to show you guys all the cool things that you can do. Some of them do crash you. If you want the best experience, do 13 or 14. I know 13 works guaranteed, as you see I'm on it right now, but someone else told me that 14 works really well too. Sadly, you cannot open chests, but they are adding more features. Again, this is literally the second version of this, so it's not going to be the best. So, yeah, don't expect perfection. So, guys, now what you can do is you have a ton of settings to play around with. Like, for example, if you go here, you can fly. If you guys use, listen, if you guys use 14.60, you can start the Galactus event. If you guys use 12.41, these are the versions, not the numbers. You put in easy and solid. You can do the Travis Scott event. If you do 12.61, you can do the device event. So, yeah, use those ones if you want to play events. But what you can do is you can go to character, you have a ton of things. Like max health, I can put that all the way up at that. Max shield, I can put that all the way down at 1. Health percentage, I can put that at max. Health percentage, I can literally control my health. Gravity scale, I can control the gravity, so let's just do -3. Okay, that was a little bit. That might have been a little weird. What if I'm gonna catch myself. I'm 100 HP, I'm dead. Wait, what the? I'm underwater. Yeah, guys, this is not hacking. I'm drowning. Well, I died of fall damage. Can I please go down? I can't go down. Why is this happening? I think I'm hacking. Oh, this is how heavy gravity is. Okay. Let's not go too high. Okay, let's just chill. And then we have speed. We can go very fast if we wanted to. Yeah, we're going very fast, as you can see. Oh my god, you'll never see anyone faster than me. Fortnite. Oh my god. Wait, but I'm gonna land in the waterfall. No, I'm not. Oh yeah, by the way, it's F3 to leave the game. If you want to leave the game, most likely it will crash and you might need to relaunch. And so guys, when you're launching, remember, start the server, start the game, and then when you're done, you can go back in the thing and stop, and you can do is close game, stop server, and then you're done. And so yeah, bye.